What's going on, vibers? It's your boy J.S. Vaughn. And guess what, y'all? We are definitely back with another one, you know what I mean? I ain't trying to waste y'all time and whatnot, so let's jump into it. Yo, let's go, y'all. Let's go. Woo! That's some good coffee right there. Yo, I fucking no, don't curse yet. Don't curse. Let's put these glasses on first and whatnot to see what we get. Cause I can't see shit with these subtitles. Oh, I can't see shit, bro. Can't see. Does it help? A little bit, but goddamn, red. Out of all them colors, you want at least put red in like freaking black highlighting so you can see the words. But jeez Louise, let's go. I can't count all the times that I had to say I'm sorry for wanting something with the funeral that's in my sorry. For play a game, boy, they said it would get old, but sometimes boys like me are curious and can't be told. Now you came along and had me saying, what is this? Your sexiness, it got me ready for that Genesis. The Genesis, your sexiness had got me ready for the Genesis. Geez Louise, you are freaking took, bro. Like you are cooked, bro. She got you by her sexiness already. Yo, let's go. What is this? Your sexiness, it got me ready for that Genesis. Baby, grab a hold of the joystick, take control of the motion. He said, baby, grab the hold of the joystick, take control of the motion. I can feel it when you're... Oh, man, I feel like a little boy, man. Let's go. Grab a hold of the joystick, take control of the motion. I can feel it when you're... Baby, you make all of the choices, other players can join us. If you're feeling like you wanna play games, he said if you feel that. So Shorty's playing games with you, man. You gave her that type of power, okay? So relax, all right, man. You gave her control of the joystick, man. She's the weak. Play games. Okay, now this I don't know, man. I think this dude is really talking about video games, man. Then I upgraded to the Nintendo 64, and your first time with a joystick left me feeling like a. Oh. And your first time with the joystick left you feeling like a hyper gamer, nothing greater. We can play all night. You better be some competition, cause I wanna fight. Baby, grab a hold of the joystick, take control of the motion. I can feel it when you're... Baby, you make all of the choices, other players can join. Maybe it's a gamer relating gaming to freaking, you know what I mean? Baby, you make all of the choices, other players can join us. If you're feeling like you wanna play games, if 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 you wanna play games, I don't want you thinking that I'm trying to apply pressure, but the pressure makes it better. Pushing harder makes it wetter. If you wanna skip the level, then we'll go to level 2. Just be my boss and get me up and just beat my beat. Okay, if you wanna skip the level, then we'll go to level 2. Just beat my damn shit. Wordplay is crazy on this one. Pause. Just beat my boss and get me off, and then I'll play with you. What the fuck, bro? The wordplay is just ridiculous, man. Shit, like, ah, man.
Okay, just plug it in thing and ready.
All right, man. For all you gamers out there, this one's for you. You know what I mean? Shit. I don't know, man. It's a lot of freaking wordplay going on there, man. You could kind of really take it how you want to take it. You know what I mean? If you taking it as like, okay, we're playing video games on a pure type of level and whatnot, and you want to freaking analyze it as that alone and whatnot, you know what I mean? Definitely go ahead. And you ain't got no, and you ain't got no freaking bad mind mentality in your head and whatnot. Then you could definitely take it like that. I'm a mature freaking man and shit. Whenever shit like that pops in front of my head and shit, yo, and I'm listening to this song and I'm like, whoa, bro, like there's some pauses all over the track and whatnot, and I'm like, yeah, I feel you and whatnot, yo, but damn, man, this shit, this yeah, man, let's just say I enjoyed the journey. It was funny and entertaining, you know what I mean? Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video yourselves and whatnot. And if you guys want more from your boy over here, definitely freaking put it down there in the comment section. I'll get to it as soon as possible. You know what I mean? That being said, y'all, if you guys want to show me some love and support, one of the best ways to do that is by smacking the hell out that like button. Show me some love and support in that way. Another way, you guys, to show me some love and support is by subscribing to the channel and sharing it with your friends and family in the same token. That being said, y'all, I'm going to check you guys out next time on the next video. Peace out, one love, and I'm out. Y'all already know, fam. Let's go. Yeah, I know.